Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make sangria for a party. Start by selecting a good quality, dry red wine, perhaps a garnacha or tempranillo, as your foundation. Next, prepare a vibrant assortment of fresh, ripe fruits. Think juicy oranges, zesty lemons, and crisp apples. These will infuse your sangria with delightful flavors. Finally, ensure you have your spirits ready. A good brandy, a splash of orange liqueur, and a simple syrup to sweeten to perfection. This combination creates the ideal base for a crowd-pleasing sangria. Once your fruits are clean, thinly slice 2 oranges, 1 lemon, and 2 apples. The thin slices maximize flavor release. Carefully place all the prepared fruit into a large pitcher or punch bowl. Now, pour in about 1/2 cup of quality brandy and 1/4 cup of your favorite orange liqueur. Gently stir everything together. Let this mixture macerate for at least 30 minutes or even longer to allow the fruit to absorb the spirits and release its delicious juices. Now, it's time to bring it all together. Pour 1 standard 750 milliliter bottle of your chosen dry red wine directly over the macerated fruit and spirits. Next, add about 1/4 cup of simple syrup. Remember, you can always adjust this to your preferred sweetness. Give everything a gentle stir to ensure all the flavors meld beautifully. For the best taste, chill your sangria in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours or even overnight. When your party begins, it's time to serve your magnificent sangria. Ladle it over ice into individual glasses, ensuring each serving gets a generous portion of the fruit. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish each glass with a fresh orange slice or a vibrant cherry. If you desire a lighter, effervescent drink, a splash of sparkling water just before serving works wonders. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your perfectly crafted sangria with your guests.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.